Sound like air going through my ear hole.
Where you get that stainless steel? Hey, what's up everybody? Josh with Driver Motorsports. So pretty much this morning we're going to be screwing around in Fabland. Devin and I got some work to do. He's working on making an exhaust off of a jig that he created for the Y33. That's a super cool project. Can't say enough about how awesome his fab work is. So check it out. If you need something for your Y33 chassis, hook it up, give us a shout, we'll get you one made. Otherwise, stay tuned, keep an eye out. You'll like it, I promise.
Ooh! We doing vlogging?
Hell yeah!
Let me turn this down.
Oh, that's all good.
Hey,
Look at. Oh yeah, I don't want to get copyrighted or nothing.
Yeah, don't want copyright.
You know what I mean? Oh man. So Kendrick is having a good old time editing videos, so I said, you know what? It's time to do some dumb stuff. By way of dumb stuff, I mean let my stupid self hold this camera. So who knows what kind of craziness is going to happen back here in Fabland today, but good Lord, look at this jig. Having some fun.
Y33 exhaust. Hey, if you guys need a Y33 exhaust, hit us up. We got a full jig out here. Fully stainless steel, TIG welded, back purged, the nicest quality you can get.
Oh, I love it. And the V-band, just for the simplicity of it.
Yeah.
Good Lord.
There's gonna be 2 V-bands on the whole exhaust.
What does it sound like?
It sound like air going through my ear hole.
Oh man.
I got the back purge set up.
This is stainless steel, right?
Yep, stainless steel.
How come it's not aluminum?
It'll melt it. So if you do aluminum, now drag racers apparently do like 1/8 inch thick aluminum for their exhaust. But you know, it comes out of a turbo and it's like this long.
Okay, so you say aluminum, I say aluminium. Which one is it?
Depends on where you're from in the country.
So aluminium. I did some research, and like some of them smart Europeans, I guess when aluminum was founded, it was originally aluminium, and like in 1812 they changed it
Well,
to
then us
aluminum.
Americans got it, and it's aluminum.
Aluminum. But so I like to sound smart, and I like to add iniums to stuff. So yeah, we're good. Okay, so we're not making this out of
It's stainless steelium.
stainless steelium.
Yeah.
Now we're talking.
Yeah.
So you heard it. You want your Driver Motorsports exhaust for your Y33? You get that stainless
Steelium.
Ooh, baby. Devin, the Fab Daddy, or we like to call him the Weldbot 9000.
I'm Weldbot 9000. This is stainless steelium.
Just jammed, just chock full.
Truck full, I tell you.
Quiet on the set! Trying to film!
He can't hear.
Oh, he got that beats in.
He's the deaf one of the family.
He got them beats in. I like that I can look at this through the camera lens and not go blind.
I can look at it well too.
And you got that cool magic helmet.
Yeah, I do.
That one auto dim?
Yep, auto dim, and it's the lightest one on the market, so it shows the true colors.
Ooh.
Like when you use any other helmet, it's like a greenish color, purpley color.
Yeah.
This actually shows like greens and blues and reds, and it shows all the colors. So I can pretty much wear it like this, and I see you perfect.
Oh, hell yeah.
There's no green hue. Nah. I'm not gonna say it wasn't pricey, but you know, when it comes to saving your eyes, and you do this every day.
Yeah, I remember one time I was welding on a buddy's 3000 GT, and I managed to weld my eyeballs shut.
Yeah.
You know, I was not looking at it, but I couldn't wear a mask because of where I was in the car. So on top of trying not to set the car on fire, I was looking at an angle, but the light was refracting off of optic lenses all around the place, and
The aluminium.
aluminium, man. You know, and then yeah, woke up in the middle of the night, felt like somebody ripped my eyeballs open and threw a handful of sand in there.
It does that.
You know, so worst
Just
pain,
like your skin sand burns. Or sandburns?
Sandburns. Hey man, sandburn sucks.
Sunburn? Your eyes will sunburn too.
Oh man, yeah, it's not comfortable.
No, not at all. I've been there, done that.
Very unpleasant. I'll tell you what is pleasant. Watching the Weldbot 9000. That's pretty good.
Almost humanoid, right?
Humanoid. Oh man, you're gonna end up in a SpaceX program or something. You know, they're gonna...
I could do titanium, Elon Musk.
Titanium? Ooh.
Titanium.
Titanium. Is that like unobtainium?
No, it's obtainium.
Okay. Yeah, we can get it. We can get it.
I got some right there.
Ooh. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. How is it so light? I don't understand. I just don't get it.
It's 75% aluminum, and the other ones are like not important, but
Yeah.
they're like 1 and 2% of other alloys. So it's considered an alloy. Alloyminium.
Alloyed?
Alloyminium.
Alloyminium.
Well,
This is Science with Fabland,
Yep.
and we're learning all kind of cool stuff today.
all the miniums.
I'll put a disclaimer out there and say that if it's not true, don't quote us. What up, girl? What your name is?
Oh!
When's the last time you were on that side of the camera? I'm just saying.
That's weird.
Oh man, it makes
Look at him,
me,
we won't even make eye contact.
it makes me nervous. Back to your dungeon.
Go back, hermit! See you later.
Oh, okay, love you, bye. Oh man.
He's off balance when he's not holding the camera, so he walks around in circles like this all day. What do you guys?
We got to get professional around here, man. I'm saying over here using Ziptoids.
Yeah.
To hold-
Ziptoids to hold stainless stelium.
Oh my goodness. Like this. I'm
It's a
telling you.
lug.
It's a lug nugget.
It is. Yep.
It's a lug nugget. Holds it together.
Torqued down to 90 foot-pounds.
Really?
I like to use hoof pounds.
Now, does this add horsepower?
It does. It does.
It does.
Well, yeah, but then we take it off and we put it on a car, so it loses 90.
Yeah.
Oh.
Well, you see, but
what's
because
wrong with my
I
car.
touched it, that's 5 horsepower.
Plus 5.
What happens when you lick it?
Oh, you don't,
You don't
want to
wanna know.
we already went through that. We,
Yeah. What do you guys think? We do like a Willy Wonka spoof of Fabland, and me and Josh will be the Oompa Loompas, and Chris will be Willy Wonka.
Oh, it's too good.
It's too good.
It's too good.
It's too good.
I don't know why I'm so offended, but
I mean, look at us.
I mean-
Come here, Kendrick.
I'm just okay. Standing next to a normal human, I guess.
Yeah.
But
And I'm just a Fatbot 9000, so you know, I was meant to fit in tight spaces.
I'm not gonna lie, it
I'm
makes me
fun
really
size.
uncomfortable being on this side of the camera. I don't,
Oh,
I don't
man,
really
well.
like it.
oh well, you got to get in there, man. People got to know who's behind the scenes.
Exactly.
You're doing all the stuff.
Yeah, I guess.
I learned that lesson a long time ago that all of my favoriteest pictures from growing up, I'm not in any of them because I was always taking them.
If you think about it, a picture that you take, right, it's going to be a better reflection of your memory
Yeah.
because of the fact that when you think of
That's what
something,
you saw.
you don't see yourself standing there. You see the vision of what you saw before.
Yeah. See what we
So-
see every day, Kendrick.
Exactly.
You don't see that.
So, I mean, but I remember when I go back and watch the videos, I'm like, yeah, that's exactly how it happened. I wasn't ever really standing there.
Saw that with my own
When
eyes.
I saw it.
And when I think back to all the cool ass places that I've been and the stuff that we've done, there are no pictures of us together because I was taking pictures of them, they were
Yeah.
taking pictures of me. So, I mean, again, it's in here, it's in the heart, I know.
Yeah.
But it would really be nice to have pictures of stuff like that or videos of stuff like this so that when I'm old and gone, 'cause I'm almost 40, and how old's Chris? Like 78? He looks good.
I think he just had his 81st.
81st birthday, he looks good. We're pretty sure he's a cyborg. Alright, so excuse the mess we got going on here at Fabland. We got Ed, our resident building expert, building us some compartments over here set up for storage, like an office space for Kendrick so he can do his multimedia stuff. Why he's not here today and letting me play with a camera, who knows, you know, something about allergies, but you know, whatever. Nonetheless, we'll have the dyno room enclosed, and then we'll have storage in the overheads up above it. So while we're knocking that stuff out, you know, excuse the mess, I'm not gonna, you know, delay and not show you guys something cool just because, you know, workspace looks like havoc right now. But we'll get it right. So I'm gonna fire this thing up, get it running. Again, I'm just checking for some AFRs. I'm looking at some stuff, learning what the car's doing, and then we'll go from there. So stand by, more video to come as far as what this thing's gonna do. We're gonna probably, you know, give it a couple of power runs once we make sure everything's safe, and we'll have somebody come talk about that. Stay tuned. What do we want to hear?
It won't run. It'll dry.
I don't know what that is. Whatever it is. Look. Somebody look at this. Wasn't that? I see a car like that and I just say, would you look at it? Oh, you did it.
I did it.
You did it.